Can you simplify this? We have 4 raised to n times 4 raised to n times 2 over 8 raised to n. And the choices are 2, n raised to negative 3, 2n raised to 4n plus 1, 2 raised to n plus 1, and 2 raised to 4n plus 1. What do you think is the correct answer? Your time starts now. Okay, let's see. We can simplify this by rewrite this one as 2 raised to 2n, because 2 raised to 2, that will give us 4, times same with this one, 2 raised to 2n times 2. This is automatically has exponent 1. And then this one will be as 2 raised to 3n. Now, since we have same bases, 2, 2, 2, we can write that as 1. And then just simply add the exponent, 2n plus 2n, that will be as 4n plus 1 over 2 raised to 3n. Okay, this is already considered, but then we can move this one to the numerator part. So that will become 2, since they are just the same, 2. Then 4n plus 1. This since this is positive 3n, so that will become negative 3n. And then now, the final answer will be 2, 4n minus 3n, that will be n plus 1. Okay, this is the correct answer, which is letter C.